Hi there, my name is Chef Baby, and to celebrate Africa World Day, I'm going to be making one of the most special meals from Ghana. This is Kontomire Abom, made with kontomire, also known as cocoyam leaves, turkey berries, and pepper. This is very easy to make and very delicious, so let's go through the process. I used kontomire from my mom's backyard garden. For the other ingredients, I have pepper, I have onions, I have momone or salted fish, I have Koobi, I have eggs, and then of course the kontomire. You're going to start by washing thoroughly your pepper, your turkey berries or coin susua, and then the kontomire or cocoyam leaves. It's ideal to wash it over several times so that you can get rid of all the impurities and the dirt that is hidden inside several parts of the kontomire as well as the other ingredients. Once you do that, transfer this into a bowl, add your washed pepper and turkey berries, and then add some water. We are going to transfer this to the fire and cook this for a few minutes. Kontomire doesn't take a long time to cook, so you don't want to overcook it. Kontomire Abom can be enjoyed with plantain, with yams, and even with rice. But for my recipe, I'm going to be enjoying it with Apem, that is plantain. So here is a little demonstration of how that is done. Once you're done, I'm going to cut it into desired sizes. Some people decide to leave the whole thing, others cut it into smaller sizes, or just what I've done. And of course, you know that this dish is not complete without some eggs because it's a Ghanaian dish and Ghanaians and eggs are like 5 and 6. You know that. Another thing you can enjoy with this dish is Koobi or salted tilapia. So once you have the thing on fire for a while, you're going to wash your Koobi and add it to the pot. At the final part, you add some water, leave it for a few minutes and drain it. Now, we are going to move on to preparing our Kontomire Abom in our sanka. So first, you're going to add in some chopped onions and then the cooked pepper and the turkey berries. But I like to grind them in layers because if you put everything inside, it makes it very difficult to, grind it perfectly and get rid of all the seeds. So the onions go first and then the pepper. And then now I'm going to put in the turkey berries. The turkey berries or the coin susua is a bit hard. So you would want to, grind this for a while. And please, I know that you may be watching this from a place where you don't have access to a sanka, but it's not really ideal to use a blender for this process because it's going to make it very mushy and very soft and you don't want that kind of texture, right? So now we have in our kontomire and we're going to also grind this till we have a consistency that we need. Some people would want to grind it further, but I like it like how you're seeing it. Now our momone comes in. So something that you want to do is you're going to put the momone or the salted fish on fire for a while to give it extra flavor. Finally, you add salt and then we are now ready to serve. So we serve with palm oil. I decided to fry the palm oil with some onions and fish to give it extra flavor. Then comes in the eggs, the Koobi or salted tilapia, and then of course avocado. This is a full meal, like everything in there is so healthy, the textures are amazing and it's just beautiful. Then you're going to pair this with either your yams or your plantains and it's ready.